Have you heard about this kind of channel before? Kids from all around the world love watching it. It's like a daily show made just... Now, we need a song. If you can't sing, play an instrument, or write music, don't worry, there's an AI for that too. I'm using Suno AI. First, copy the lyrics from ChatGPT and paste them into the tool. You can also ask ChatGPT to suggest a music style to match your video, and paste it here and click on Generate. Once that's done, the tool will create a song for you. It might give you two options, so listen to them and choose the one that fits your video best. Select one and downloaded it. Now we have the video clips and the song. It's time to combine them. I'm using CapCut to edit everything. Upload your clips and the music, then match the scenes with the song. Once you're happy with how it looks, export the video. And here is your fun animated kids song video.
Hear my tune, my trunk makes music beneath the moon. I'm Marvin the monkey, swinging so free. I play my maracas, come dance with me. I'm Gina the giraffe, reaching up high. My harp sings soft like the breeze in the sky. I'm Leo the lion, hear my roar. On the drums, I lead the score. Clap, 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 and stomp, stomp, stomp. Swing your arms and do the chop. Let's move together, side to side. Feel the music far and wide. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Feel the rhythm, catch the beat. Sing along.
Wasn't that incredible? You can create your own YouTube channel like this and start earning money too. It's easy, fun, and costs almost nothing to get started. If this video helped you, leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. See you next time.